In iOS 18, Control Center gets a major upgrade, allowing you to expand your customization even further. Today, we're going to learn how to add a whole new page to Control Center, so you can organize your most frequently used controls and widgets into dedicated sections. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. Adding a new page to Control Center allows you to group related controls together for easy access, designate specific pages for different tasks or activities, and quickly navigate between pages to find the controls you need. Let's see now how we can add a new page in the Control Center in iOS 18 on iPhone. Swipe down from the top right corner. This is the traditional method for iPhones. On the right of the Control Center, you see some small icons. Those are the pages for the Control Center. Please see that I have only 3 icons. This is important. On the top, there is a plus icon. Tap on it. You see now that we entered into the edit mode for the Control Center. Now when you look on the icons from the right, you see there are 4 icons. The new icon added is the new page. Swipe from bottom to top to move to the last page. You see here we have a blank page. To create a new page, we need to add at least one control. So tap on Add a Control. Find the control you want and tap it. Now the control is added. Now let's add a bit more controls. You can move anywhere the control you have added. After that, just tap on the screen and the iPhone will exit the edit mode. You see now that when we are exited the edit mode, we have 4 icons on the Control Center. That's how to add a new page to Control Center in iOS 18. By adding multiple pages, you can customize Control Center to be a highly organized and efficient tool that adapts to your specific needs. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.